Removing a device from your Binance account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Start by visiting the Binance website or opening the Binance app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security tab in the menu, which will take you to the security options available for your account. Step 3. Find Device Management. In the Security Settings, locate the Device Management section. This area lists all devices currently linked to your account, allowing you to manage them. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Review the list of devices. Identify the device you wish to remove and click on it to view more details. There should be an option to remove or unlink the device. Step 5. Confirm the removal. After selecting the device, you will be prompted to confirm the removal. Follow the instructions provided, which may include entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. By following these steps, you can easily remove any device from your Binance account, enhancing your account's security. Always ensure that you regularly review your device management settings.